3 questions. Answer them honestly. Do you have money sitting in a bank account earning interest? Do you invest in stocks, without knowing what those companies actually do? Do you avoid investing entirely because you don't know what's halal? If you answered yes to any of those, this is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly what Islam says about growing your wealth. And how to do it without compromising your deen. Allah didn't just permit trade. He commanded it. Disperse within the land and seek from the bounty of Allah. Surah Al-Jumu'ah, 62:10. Sahih International. He said seek. Not avoid. Not fear. Seek. Most Muslims fall into one of 2 traps. They either avoid money entirely, thinking wealth is somehow un-Islamic. Or they chase it without asking what Allah permits. Both are mistakes. Islam has a framework for wealth. A clear one. It is not silence. It is not ambiguity. It is precision. The first thing Islam prohibits is riba. Interest. Allah did not say be careful with interest. He said He and His Messenger declare war on those who persist in it. Surah Al-Baqarah, 2:278, 279. Sahih International. This is not a minor ruling. A Muslim earning interest on a savings account is not innocent by ignorance once they know. You don't have to earn interest to grow money. Halal banking accounts exist. The alternative is there. Use it. Your investments must be in halal businesses. Think of it like food. You would not eat from a plate mixed with haram. Your portfolio is the same. A Shariah-compliant fund does the screening for you. Apps like Zoya and Wad Invest exist for exactly this reason. The barrier to halal investing is not as high as most Muslims think. The barrier is knowledge. And now you have it. If this mindset resonates, subscribe. That is the Rizq Mindset. The Prophet peace be upon him himself was a merchant before revelation came. He said, the truthful, trustworthy merchant is with the prophets, the truthful, and the martyrs. Jami at-Tirmidhi, 1209. Hassan. Wealth built on honesty is noble. Wealth built on trust is elevated. The Muslim who grows their money the halal way does not just build dunya. They build a case for Jannah. Here is what nobody teaches you. The Muslim who is scared of wealth is not more pious. They are more passive. Allah permitted trade. The Prophet practiced trade. The question is not whether to grow your money. The question is how. Every dirham in your hand is either a test or a tool. The Muslim who builds halal wealth builds something that lasts. Not just in this life. Silence. Seek from the bounty of Allah. He said seek. Start.